2025 could be the year that you make life-changing profits on your cryptocurrencies, but you won't be able to cash out any of the profits if you haven't got the right exchange accounts set up, okay, and ready to go. So in this video, I want to share what I think are the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges that you need to have accounts on and need to be aware of. 3 of these are centralized exchanges, 2 are decentralized exchanges. You need to know about them. So what are these exchanges? What makes them different from the rest? And how should you be using them? But there's one thing that can get in the way of you getting started, and that's KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and it means that before you can buy and you can sell over on these places, any of the cryptocurrencies that you want, you have to verify your identity to prove to the exchange that you are who you say you are. Now, of course, depending on where you live, access might even be restricted on some platforms. So the good news is that at first place, there's an exchange called Bitunix, and they are currently offering no KYC trading, which means you don't need a VPN. You don't need to give them your KYC. You can just enjoy trading with privacy, which is pretty cool. So let's talk about what it is and how to get set up on Bitunix before we get into the other 4 exchanges. Now, Bitunix launched back in October 2022 as a cryptocurrency derivatives exchange with also big spot altcoin markets. Okay, the exchange has grown rapidly in popularity over the last months, but it is very transparent about its reserves and offers very low trading fees that get even lower depending on how much you deposit and how much you trade. Now, with no KYC, setting up an account over on Bitunix is super easy to do. There's a link down below, by the way, where you can do that and get exclusive bonuses. By the way, there's links for all the exchanges we're discussing today down below. Now, all you have to do to get started on Bitunix, enter an email address, create a password, the usual stuff. That's it. You'll just need to verify your email address and you're ready to go. Enjoy that no KYC trading. Now, to be clear, there is KYC if you want to take out over $500,000 a day, and there is KYC if you want to buy crypto directly on the platform. If you're depositing just crypto, you're good to go. So once you are set up, just deposit some crypto directly and you can start trading spot markets or trading derivatives markets, okay? Spot markets, of course, when you're actually buying and selling the cryptocurrencies themselves, and the futures markets when you're just betting on the future price of the asset to go up or down. Now, trading spot markets is super simple. You just find the trading pair that you want, place a market order, if it's a small amount or a limit order, where you can then specify the buy or sell price. Look, there's lots of coins, great liquidity, very deep liquidity, and again, no KYC, which makes Bitunix an exchange that you're going to want to use in 2025. Next up is crypto.com, which has, of course, the best crypto Visa card on the market. So if you're looking to spend your crypto and earn cash back rewards, then this exchange is for you. And if you're in the United States or you're in the UK or you're in Singapore, most exchanges are not available for you, so crypto.com is a great way to buy and sell and get fiat in and out of the market. It's also a very, very easy to use exchange. Their app is absolutely awesome. I use it all the time, and I use the card all the time, and it's perfect for beginners. And just wait until you see crypto.com's ambitious roadmap for 2025. A ton of cool new features are coming. Now let's discuss how this crypto card, this bad boy right here, actually works. So this is a prepaid Visa debit card that's available to anyone with a crypto.com account. Now, I've been using mine for years. I think I got it in 2020. Can't remember. Years, though. It's been great. I use it super frequently, and it's just a great way to go from crypto profits into real world stuff. It's super easy. It's super convenient. Just load some stable coins onto it and just go. It's easy. Your card is connected inside your account and you can top it up using stable coins. You can either move more fiat from your crypto.com wallet onto your card, or of course you can actually just sell some stable coins directly so that you can top up your card. There's all kinds of cool bonuses too, cashback rewards and free Netflix and all that jazz. Again, link down below where you can get yours if you want to get one. But it's super simple, and there's, of course, the major convenience factor here. So you can just basically go to your app, check everything in one place, so you can see your crypto portfolio, you can see how much money you got on your card, all that kind of stuff. And of course, the crypto.com app allows you to buy a huge variety of coins, so it's got a lot of your investing needs covered for a centralized exchange service. Oh, sure, you're not going to get your tiny micro cap on-chain gems, but you're not going to get those in any centralized service. But you will get all your big stuff, and it's a great place, again, to bring fiat into the market. I also want to just quickly give you a peek into what's coming to crypto.com in 2025. So on their roadmap, they're already working on expanding that debit card out to Latin America, Middle East, Africa. Then going into 2025, Bitcoin rewards will be launching in Q1 along with stock and ETF trading, which means crypto.com is going to be the frickin' super app, man. You don't need to do anything else. Go there, buy your Bitcoin, have your card, do your stock trading, do your ETF trading. That's crazy. Multi-currency accounts are also coming, again, making the crypto.com app a super user-friendly app. Then in Q2, we're going to be seeing some credit cards even coming, a crypto.com stablecoin in Q3, along with AI-powered trading. Then international bank accounts in Q4, like it's a stacked roadmap for the crypto.com app. So lots and lots of exciting plans to blend together crypto and traditional finance all into one ecosystem. That's what will make crypto.com the all-in-one platform to use in 2025. Now in at third place, ByBit. This is the crypto exchange that shines in terms of a massive menu of trading products on offer, which includes spot trading, margin trading, option trading, futures trading, perpetual contracts, earn features, all kinds of stuff. Huge amount of altcoins listed over here. One of the biggest spot altcoin markets, biggest derivatives markets. ByBit has taken the crown in many, many ways. There's additional features like trading view charts, Trade GPT, an AI chatbot that can help you to analyze the market, copy trading, a tool that allows you to copy the trades of more seasoned traders, just on and on and on. So many features. The only problem with ByBit is that it's a bit geo-restricted and people in like the USA and the UK can't use ByBit, which sucks for you guys. I'm sorry. But for most everybody else, ByBit's awesome and great place to do some trading. ByBit, of course, offers all kinds of features, including like one-click buy and stuff like that. You can use over 65 fiat currencies to buy more than 100 different cryptocurrencies. They have hundreds of altcoins listed that you can trade with. All you have to do quick buys, though, select the fiat currency you want to use, the crypto you want to buy, your preferred payment method, and ready to go. Now, when looking at the exchange as a whole, it's clear that ByBit can serve as a one-stop shop for both crypto beginners and advanced traders. Again, super deep liquidity over here on ByBit. It's currently over 600 cryptocurrencies to choose from. They have super low fees, incredibly secure, and a great reputation more broadly in the market with years of dependability. In fact, ByBit has not had one single security breach since it launched in 2018. Not bad, right? The sheer breadth of the exchange can make it a little overwhelming. To be honest, I only use a fraction of the features over there. So if you're a beginner, don't be too intimidated. You know, if you're new to crypto, just take it slow. Come over here and just use it to buy some crypto, do a little bit of spot trading for some altcoins. Don't go too crazy, okay? So you can open up an account, take a tour of the platform, get comfortable with it. Of course, fiat deposits and withdrawals can be limited, obviously, depending on the currency and the country. So please do check what's available to you in your local jurisdiction before going and creating an account for any of these exchanges, really. But keep in mind that if you're more of a crypto native, you're just using stable coins in and out and stuff like that, it's gonna be totally fine as well. Now, next up, we have two decentralized exchanges, okay? So first one of those is Jupiter. And this may be a crypto exchange you've not heard of before, and that's because Jupiter is a decentralized exchange aggregator, essentially, that operates on the Solana blockchain. Now, a decentralized exchange, or a DEX for short, this is a marketplace where you can go and buy and sell a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, basically anything available on Solana, directly on chain using smart contracts. You don't have to use that intermediary centralized service where you go and deposit your crypto on a centralized exchange. You can just swap stuff here on chain straight out of your wallet. Jupiter's main offering is its Swap exchange. Swap allows users to easily trade between different cryptocurrencies with just a few clicks of a button. To get started, you just need to connect up your crypto wallet and off you go. Super easy. Now, what makes swaps interesting is that under the hood, the Jupiter exchange actually works as a major liquidity aggregator. Now, this essentially means that Jupiter connects out to multiple decentralized exchanges to find you the best liquidity and the best execution for your trade right across the Solana ecosystem, like Serum and Radium and Meteora, to unlock access to their crypto liquidity, again, to give you that best price possible on your swaps, making Jupiter a great exchange service for anybody using the Solana ecosystem. Now, Jupiter has multiple other features besides swap, one of which is this DCA feature, something I actually just literally used just before I started making this video to take a position in Cerebro. We'll see how that goes by the time this video comes out. Anyway, this means you can automate your crypto buys and sells over a specified period of time that you decide. So for example, let's say you want to sell $100 worth of token every 24 hours. You can do that. Or you want to dollar cost average in with $10,000. So you set it up and you're going to buy $200 worth every hour for a few days, right? There's also the Jupiter Bridge, which allows you to move from crypto from other blockchains on the Solana network in just a few clicks. You can also swap assets across the bridge. For example, if you have ETH on Ethereum, then you can actually bridge that over into the Solana ecosystem and then swap it into Solana, right? Pretty cool. Other features include their perpetual swaps, which are very, very popular, and liquidity provider pools. Okay, now of course I couldn't make a video about the top cryptocurrency exchanges without including Aerodrome Finance, the DEX of Base. Now Aerodrome is a liquidity marketplace over on Coinbase's layer 2 called Base. And unless you have been living under a rock somewhere, then you will have probably noticed that Coinbase's Base network kind of a big deal, okay? Base is leveraging Coinbase's millions of retail users, and Aerodrome Finance is taking center stage on the chain. It is already the biggest decentralized exchange on the Base network, making it, of course, about half the total value locked on the network. It's the Uniswap of Base, but even bigger. Now, when it comes to using Aerodrome, there are actually two key things that you can do, and that's swapping tokens and providing liquidity. And by the way, if Aerodrome feels oddly familiar, then you're not alone in feeling that. That's because Aerodrome is actually a copy of Velodrome Finance, which was originally launched over on Optimism. So look, on Aerodrome, as well as swapping tokens, you can also contribute to the liquidity pools by throwing your tokens in and getting paid for it, because that's awesome. You can actually get a cut of the fees paid by users making the swaps. Pretty damn cool, right? Now on Aerodrome, that'll be paid out in the platform's Aero token primarily. You can also get a little bit of the tokens too. On Velodrome, and of course, and extension by Aerodrome, 100% of all of the fees and all the incentives go directly back to you if you're holding the Aero tokens and staking them, with millions in fees and incentives already having been distributed out to Aerodrome holders and stakers who have been eating very nicely this year. This is all a big part of what makes the project so appealing to so many people. Okay, that's it. Again, links down below in the description for all of this stuff. Go check it out. Start getting on chain, guys, of course, with Jupiter and Aerodrome, and check out those 3 centralized services depending on where you live. They're going to be offering great options for trading and deep liquidity and all that stuff. I'll see you back in the next video. Peace.